Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And if you watched my previous video on the Push It Done Jump Starter Pack, which I will be doing a giveaway of that, so if you haven't watched that, go ahead and check it out. I'll be showing it briefly in this video in order to show the operation of this item. I am doing a review really quick on an off-road LED light kit. Now, it was sent to me. I was gonna try and fit it in the grill of my 3rd gen Camaro without being noticeable, because I do have my aftermarket horns down there, and I do believe that the only real fog lights in these Camaros that look good are basically the stock ones or ones that imitate the stock ones. So these, I held them up in there. They're more of an off-road look, so it definitely wasn't gonna work for my 3rd gen Camaro. I might try and get the smaller ones and kind of tuck them away to where they can't be seen. But if you have ATVs, an off-road truck, or maybe it'll look good on your car. We'll check it out. If you guys like this, go ahead, drop a comment down below once again, and then hit that thumbs up, and you'll be enrolled in order to possibly win these off-road LED work lights. Now, once again, this is going to be just for the United States. I'm sorry, I will have giveaways for everybody soon, but as far as these 2 giveaways, they are mainly just going to be for people in the United States. So thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's get into this review. These were sent to me by a company called Huygou, H-E-Y-G-O-U, or HG. So if you're looking for them, you might be able to find the off-road lights just through searching HG off-road lights. Now this specific set, each light is going to come in its own separate box, and you can order it in packs of 2, 4, and I don't know, 10 or 12 or something like that. But for the 2-pack of this style, it's going to be $17. I'll just kind of show you a brief look at the information and everything here, then I'll quickly go over it. So these obviously come packaged in these little cardboard boxes. It's going to be wrapped in like a styrofoam bag. Now they do have smaller ones and larger ones of these. They're going to have ones that are just 4 LEDs. This is going to be a 12 LED light setup. And then you're going to have your mounting hardware in here as well. You got a couple bolts, a nut, a lock washer, and your mounting bracket. And then you're going to have a nut in the bottom side that can slide, and basically when you tighten this up, it'll lock it into place. So other than that, you have heat fins on the back to dissipate heat. You got 12 LEDs like I stated. It's going to be an all aluminum body. The mounting hardware is going to be stainless steel. It is waterproof and dust proof. It does have a rubber seal or a grommet around the base of the electrical cables. It does have a nice protective sleeve over the positive and negative, but you're only getting about, I'd say, 10 inches of wire right here. So this kit does not come with a plug or connector or switch or cables or any type of wiring harness, so you're going to have to run your own. Whether you run these on a relay or a switch or whatever you want to do, you're going to have to get that yourself. The other information, this is a 7-inch LED off-road light, 12 LEDs, waterproof. They operate 10 to 30 volts, so a good range right there. They are 3,600 lumens for this light setup. Obviously, I said they have a smaller one and a larger one. The operating color temp is going to be 6,000 to 6,500 for the color temp, so a nice bright white. The lifespan of these are going to be roughly 50,000 working hours. And it's going to come with a 2-year warranty. Now, you can either use these on a car, like I said, 10 to 30 volts, or you can get, or the description even states that you can use a transformer or a converter in order to mount this on like a tripod or anything and use it at home or in the workplace as well. So since I'm not hooking these up to my car, I am going to do these as a gift giveaway. Obviously, you guys might want to see the operation, so I'm going to go ahead and use this wireless jump pack that I received, and I did a video on it previously, and it should have been the video right before this one. So if you haven't checked it out, this is also a gift giveaway. So if you haven't watched it, hurry up, go watch it, and roll for this if you're interested. But we're going to use this and this jump pack cables in order to get this thing to turn on. Just so you guys can see the brightness, simply plug these in. Then we're just going to simply take this and plug it in. We can plug it in. And there she is. So, really bright. Like I said, 3600 lumens. It's going to light up a lot. Great for fog lights or, you know, running lights. Obviously, it's going to say off-road use only, but you can also use them for fog lights. They'd work great. Mount them low on your vehicle. You're going to have a nice bright light. So, go ahead and get these shut off. So yeah. There it is. If you guys are interested in this jump pack, this one we're keeping. We're going to throw it in the wife's car. And then I have another one of these still brand new in the box I will send out to the lucky winner. And then if you're interested in these, it is going to be a set of 2, just like I stated before. Drop a comment down below, leave a like, and I will send these out to one lucky winner down in the comments as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Both this item and the jump starter pack will be linked down in the description, just in case you don't win. It will be available for you to look at, or you can see some related items to them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.